Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can calculate sales tax and tip. So over here in white, we have a dinner total cost of $18.50. There was a tax of $1.48. Okay, what we want to figure out, number one, is what is the percent sales tax? And then number two, we're going to leave an 18% tip. So what's our total cost? So we're going to fill in this tip column here and also total. But before we do that, let's do number one. Let's find the percent sales tax. So essentially we need to answer the question, $1.48 is what percent of $18.50? So we know that $1.48 would be our part. We're trying to find the percent, so let's write this over 100, and we're going to multiply this by 1850. All right, so 1.48 is equal to 1850p over 100. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply both sides by 100, so that's going to give me 148 is equal to 1850p, and then we're going to divide both sides by 1850. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 148 divided by 1850, and we get 8. Okay, so we're going to say p is equal to 8. So that means that our sales tax was 8% of the total cost. Okay, so one thing that we did there, notice how I put p divided by 100 right here. Okay, you can do it that way, and when you divide in your calculator, you're going to get the actual percent itself. So for this answer for number one, I said the answer was 8%. So in my calculator, I got 8. Now you could also just write this as p, so maybe like this, right? But if you do that, you need to remember that when you get your answer in your calculator from dividing, that's the percent in decimal form. So you just need to move the decimal place twice to the right to write it as a percent, and you'll get 8% as well. Okay. All right. Now, number two says we want to leave an 18% tip. What is the total cost? So we want to figure out what number is 18% of 1850. Okay. So we're trying to find a part now. So we're going to write x is equal to, and we're going to do 18%. So let's do 18 over 100 times 1850. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do 1850 times 18, and let's divide this by 100, and that's going to give me our tip. So this is $3.33. So I'm going to write this over here, $3.33. And now to find our total, we just need to add up those three figures. So $3.33 was our tip, our tax was $1.48, and our dinner total was $18.50 for a grand total of $23.31. Okay, so that's how you can calculate some sales tax and tip.